Luxury restaurant, Alfieri Evolution. Mag-dinner daw ni Daria. Luxury din ang price, bantay ka lamang. You can sit here or there. Where you want to sit?
Table for yes.
Need booking? No? Okay.
How much you do?
Agad pala ko. Lasag na. Every Friday and Saturday.
Maybe you have all the expensive. We will do it. No, it's okay. We can eat, but we can't.
You already have a table?
Movie ko again din. Yes! Money day. Hello guys, misulod ko diri sa restaurant kay ako tan-aw ng ilang buffet. Kay ingon si tamulmul daghan daw kaayo. Tinuod jud di ayo. So guys, mga foods, mga prutas guys. Harap ka mga fresh food. See? Wow. Very healthy. And here are the dessert here. Cashew butterscotch. Ito muna ibasa. Mango pineapple. Ito guys, mahurot ninyo yung kaon guys. Mahurot ninyo yung kaon. Arang kadaghan sa ilang buffet. Muna sila tanan. Guna dito. And until here. Hari na sadta sa mga sudan. To my rice. Fried rice. Sweet and sour pork. Wow, mixed seafood. Stir fry. Market vegetables. Ito isda. Marami. Ito ang mga doon. Sausawan. Lechon chicken. Walang ko. Pero di kaya ni tangon mo guys. 2,000 per head for this all you can. On this side is ito guys, ilahang mga salad. Parang kadaghan ay magurot ba ni kaon? Kadaghan basad. Mga grapes, gravies nila o kadaghan. Mga appetizer. Lami sila mga salad guys. Nakaibo. Pero dito na lang may nag-order sa individual. Ito pa. All seafoods, mga fish. Takwang. Ito guys. Isda. Pang kinilaw. Ang dami. Okay guys, that's all. This one?
What?
The pumpkin soup. Yeah.
Yeah, good, but it's
Yes. While waiting the orders, they give us pumpkin soup. Okay, let's eat. Let's drink and eat. Pumpkin soup, guys. While waiting the orders. Very good. Kay gutom na sad ko. Did you? Okay. Ni. Ni. Okay na.
Attends, wait, wait, right.
Oh.
You can do photos. Yes, it's okay. It's nice.
I said eat na. Masuko day ka.
Attends, I help Michelle and after I look photos there.
We order Arab dieta. Italian food, and this is my Caesar salad. Look at this.
Bauer,
Their Caesar salad is
this is and this.
sulit ang presyo.
More value à la carte. Et
Puno ng ano cream.
more value à la carte, c'est le buffet. Un buffet is crazy.
Yeah. But look at
Because
in the buffet you can choose
well, à la carte,
food.
we have.
All food you can eat.
Very
But
good.
expensive 3,000 ang buffet nila. Naon ka guys. Okay.